viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm reading Albert Einstein by Mary Nin. Hi, I'm Albert Einstein. Some said I was a late bloomer. I didn't begin talking until later than my peers. When I did start, I hardly talked at all. They didn't realize I was watching, observing, and thinking. From the time I could remember, I loved math and science. I was very curious about the world around me and how it worked. When I was introduced to a compass, I was fascinated by what was moving the needle. It was the beginning of my lifelong passion about invisible forces. Dad, no matter which direction I stand, the compass always points north. That's right, Albert. You can't see it, but Earth has a magnetic field which always makes the needle point to the North Pole. I was living in Germany at the time, and I was Jewish. Since Jews were discriminated against, that meant my education choices were limited. Even so, I didn't let that deter my natural curiosity for science and math. I became acquainted with the tutor who introduced me to higher mathematics and philosophy. He gave me a little geometry book, which I devoured in very little time. Albert, let's open up the geometry book I gave you last week. I'm done. What do you mean? What do you mean, Dad? I've already read it and worked through the problems. Which pages? I completed the whole book. I think Albert's math skills are very high, and we may need to look for a more advanced teacher. Oh, we see. I taught myself algebra and Euclidean geometry over a single summer. I was only 12 years old. That's about the age of me. You can see him having a little dream bubble, which is math. In that same year, I discovered my own original proof of the Pythagorean theorem, which is the relationship between the three sides of a right triangle. I wrote down my ideas and published my first research paper in the scientific circle. To get a paper published in journal meant your work was being read by other scientists. Soon I went to college in Switzerland. I had dreams to teach, but after I graduated, I had a lot of trouble finding a teaching job. Eventually, I landed a job in the patent office as an assistant examiner. There, I employed my scientific background to evaluate devices that were applying for patents. Even while I was working in the patent office, I didn't give up on my teaching and research dreams. I continued writing and developing my own scientific theories. It was here in the patent office where I was able to see the physical effects of my theoretical concepts. I would often be deep in thought. I even imagined riding a light beam. I developed a highly visual understanding of physics. Because of this unique thinking style, I filled my research papers with vivid practical detail. I employed thought experiments where I could show my concepts coming to life. A thought experiment is an experiment carried out in your imagination. For special relativity, I employed moving trains and flashes of lightning to explain my insights. For general relativity, I considered a person falling off a roof, accelerating elevators, and blind beetles crawling on curved surfaces. After many years of my research, I published 4 revolutionary articles on photoelectric effect, Brillouin motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy. Many liked my work and thought it was groundbreaking. In fact, one of my theories, E equals mc squared, became the most well-known math equation in the world. Soon after, I was asked to become a professor of theoretical physics, which I accepted. I was very happy. It meant I could carry on thinking and researching topics that were dear to my heart. I was so surprised when I received a Nobel Prize for physics for my explanation of the photoelectric effect. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. So that's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!